It's no more surprise that affiliate marketing is the easiest and most profitable way that is created. More internet millionaires than all other niches combined. And how would you feel if I told you that you can start right from the comfort of your home like a pro, with zero prior knowledge and technical hassles? Interested? Presenting NinjaKash, the game-changer platform that creates instant one-click profitable affiliate funnels and websites to build you a huge list, drive viral and SEO traffic, and makes you tons of affiliate commissions on 100% autopilot. It also comes with preloaded 50 red-hot and hand-picked affiliate products to promote and profit right away. So, let's have a closer look of it. It has never been easier to create affiliate funnels and websites online. But with NinjaKash, it is easy and fast. Just log into your account and fill site details to build a profitable affiliate funnel in 60 seconds flat that gets you traffic and commissions hands-free. It's just a simple 3-step method that goes like this. Step 1. Insert your affiliate link. To get started, insert your affiliate link in our software. Step 2. Choose from Done For You and beautiful templates. Now, just select and edit from proven converting and ready-to-go templates from library to create your own profitable affiliate funnels. Step 3. Publish to enjoy free traffic and money. Now the action begins. Our software put this affiliate funnel on fly mode. That is a SEO, social, and viral traffic machine. And you watch your accounts with commissions rolling in. Take my word. This is everything you need to create your own high-converting affiliate marketing funnel on 100% autopilot with zero technical skills and zero headache. No installation, no designing or other techie stuff. And everything works under a single dashboard with zero frustration of learning. You also get 50 proven converting products selected for you to promote and maximize affiliate commissions in no time. That means with NinjaKash, you're joining top 3 biggest niches online that enable you to make $500 to $1,000 daily with affiliate marketing, drive tons of viral traffic from top social giants, promote converting products with your own affiliate funnels that gets you commissions, #1 rankings, and free SEO traffic. In a nutshell, it also creates social sharing campaigns and reschedules offers on Twitter, Tumblr, and Reddit timelines to enjoy buckets of viral traffic. We went even further to make it work easily with all major autoresponders like MailChimp, GetResponse, Allbird, etc., which is a huge added value to provide you a basic insight into your funnels. You can get an overview of funnels like technology used, location of visitors, as well as the details of your visitors within this. NinjaKash is the ultimate key to create constant, ongoing passive profits completely hands-free. And these are just a handful of features. An entire host of other features that come included with NinjaKash when you sign up today. Just get your hands on NinjaKash to create funnels online. And it streamlines everything for you 24/7. Even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. And that makes NinjaKash a cut above the rest. Isn't it amazing? Yes, this is a state-of-art solution, and I'm sure that you will love it. Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spend monthly on hosting. Everything is covered and runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. And in case you ever get stuck, we'll always be here for you with our customer support. So, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you. Stop wasting your time and hard-earned money on funnel builders and third-party service providers that undermine your efforts. NinjaKash has everything you need to start right away and scale it further. So, what are you waiting for? NinjaKash is available for just one-time price without any limitations, but just for this special charter launch of 4 days. And after this introductory phase, it's going to get back to its rightful monthly price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. This will also give you a massive opportunity to make additional or full-time income each month. Go for this one-time investment that's fully covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee and grab your complete access to this ultimate platform. Now, the clock is ticking here. So click on the button below and get instant access to NinjaKash for this one-time low price before it turns to monthly recurring. Lastly, we engineer Ashu Kumar along with Ayush Jain Dr. Amit Parekhan, I congratulate you in advance for taking action now to build your successful business for years to come. The NinjaKash team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.